Let's start the week off powerfully, and let's have a real, raw, honest conversation with each other that's going to help set you up for success this week. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Cody Sperber, the Clever Investor. Wanted to come on real fast and have a powerful, quick conversation with you. I only have a little bit of battery life left, so I'm feeling a certain way. All right, I go to the gym, I take my pre-workout, and then I get all fired up. So this is going to be a motivational conversation, help you get your mindset right. But I think you're going to resonate with it. A lot of you guys that follow me, okay, you guys are here because you want more joy, more happiness, more financial control, more freedom, more fulfillment. And in order to get those things, you got to put in a tremendous amount of work. All right? I've been in this business for over 15 years. The amount of sacrifice and energy and effort that I had to put towards this business in order to become successful and get what I want, it's crazy looking back. I don't know if I would have, on day one, I don't even know if I knew what it was going to take. I don't even know if I would have went down and did this journey. I'm so glad I did, and I went forward naively. But looking back, it's like, damn, this is crazy how much energy it took. But here's the thing, if you want to be successful along that journey, along that way, it's inevitable that you're going to find yourself in situations that are really freaking tough, that are super challenging, where your back's against the wall and you're struggling and partnerships are failing and people are cutting you out of deals and money is running away from you and you feel like you're just in this place where everything is fucking going wrong. I can't tell you how many hundreds of times I had shit go sideways on me. But here's the thing. You can either be one of two types of people. You could be the type of person that when a major wall or a barrier or a hurdle or an obstacle gets in your way, you could be one of those people that shrinks down, that recedes, that runs away. Or you could be one of those types of people that looks at it and says, I'm gonna do whatever it takes to go over, under, around this obstacle, and I'm gonna learn from it. I'm gonna step up and I'm gonna change my perspective and I'm gonna say, this is happening for me to teach me something, to give me a gift. The gift of strength, the gift of grit, the gift of determination. This is where the desire, this is where the heart, this is where the hustle comes from. It's from this moment right now. I call it paying your dues. I call it paying that success tax. It's being in that situation where everybody else is taken off. Everybody else is like, it's not worth it. Screw this, I'm gonna just go and I'm gonna be one of those people that just lives average and just settles. And I think that's okay. If you want to be that person, don't beat yourself up. Just go be that person and be happy being that person. But if you want more out of life, if you want to level up, which most of you guys do, you would be off doing other things right now if that's not what you wanted. But if you want that, then you got to be the type of person that digs deep in those moments where it's challenging and it's frustrating. And you just say, this is for me. This is where I'm going to grow. And I appreciate it, I'm grateful for it, and I change my perspective, and I just look at it like I'm paying my dues. I'm paying my success tax. Think of it like this. We all know, I don't know, let's just pick your favorite band. Let's just say Aerosmith for this example. Let's just say your favorite band. You see them on stage. They're rocking out. This whole stadium is going crazy. There's 5,000 people, 10,000 people in the stadium. And you look at them and you're like, wow, they're amazing. They're magnificent. Look at all these people. These guys are at the top of their game. And you admire them and you see them on stage, but what you don't see is them playing in their room for hours and hours and hours, for months on end, for years on end, until their fingers bleed practicing. You don't see them getting in that shitty little van and going to these little crappy gigs where nobody's showing up. You just see the end result. You don't see them paying their success tax, seeing them putting in their dues. You see, Winners are made in those moments when nobody else is looking, when your back's against the wall and nobody's cheering you on. So this message is for everybody right now that's going on their journey. I want to encourage you to just keep going. Don't give up. Don't change directions. Don't second guess yourself. Just keep moving forward. You do that, and you're going to wake up one day just like I did, 5 years down the road, becoming a multimillionaire. 10 years down the road, becoming a massive influencer. 15 years down the road, being in this place where you have so much freedom, so much control, so much joy and happiness because you're able to cut checks and help everybody around you. I've dramatically changed the course of my entire family's trajectory because I made the decision to get into real estate one day, sitting at lunch with my friend Jeremy, who pulled up in a brand new Mercedes, and I asked him, how did you do it? And he said, creative real estate. I flipped a house and I made 80 grand. And I made the decision that day that I'm gonna master that. I'm gonna be great. I'm not gonna live an average life, and I'm gonna use real estate as the vehicle to get me to where I wanna go. So if you wanna live up to your full potential, realize that it happens through the adversity, through the challenges, through the hurdles. And just keep going, because you got this. And you know, those that we admire and we write books about and we lift up on our shoulders and celebrate and build statues over, those people have been through the most adversity. Remember that. All right, listen, that's all I have for you in this one. What are your thoughts? Do you agree with me? If so, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this one. Make sure you smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do that right now. Turn on post notifications. And yeah, that's all I have for you on this one. Till next time, I'm Cody Sperber, the Clever Investor, signing off for now. Till then, take care, comb your hair, Spurbs out.